Alright, so there are a couple ways that you can write an equation for a line if you're given the slope and the point. So m is normally what the slope is. Let's say our slope is 5 and they tell you a point that it passes through. And let's say 0 and 10. Okay, so in order to write an equation in slope-intercept form, you have to write it in the form of y equals mx plus b. Okay, they gave you a slope, which is 5, so you just fill that in. And luckily, in this case, they also gave you the y-intercept. Anytime you're given an ordered pair where the x is 0, then the other one is your y, and that is where your line crosses your y-axis at. So this line is going to cross the y-axis at 10. So that is our y-intercept. So there you just simply write plus 10, and that's your equation. Now, there are some cases where we're not as lucky. Sometimes they tell you that the slope is maybe 6. And then they tell you that the line passes through the point 1 and 2. Now, it's a little trickier with this one. You have to do some math. So we know that the slope is 6, so we can fill that in. So we get 6x plus some y-intercept we don't know. So the equation that we're going to write in standard form is in the form of slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. Okay, so here what we have to do is actually solve for the y-intercept. Now they helped us because they gave us that it passed through point 1, 2. So the x value is 1 and the y value is 2. So we're just going to substitute those values in. We're going to say 2 equals, give me a second, I'm changing colors, the 6 that was already there, and we're going to substitute in the x, which is 1, plus the b we're trying to solve for. And here you just do the math. So you get 2 equals 6 times 1 is 6 plus some b. And here you just solve a linear equation. Let me change the page and we'll finish solving it. So we get 2 equals 6 plus some b. Now, in order to solve for b, we have to get the 6 on the other side. So since this is a plus 6, we do the opposite of it, which is negative 6 to both sides to balance the equation. So we get negative 4 equals b. So now the last thing we need to do here is just write the equation out. Now we know the y-intercept for this situation is negative 4. So we write y equals, let's go see what the slope was. Said the slope was 6, m equals 6. So you get y equals 6x minus 4. And that's it. And that's writing the equation of the line given the point and the slope. Hope this is helpful. Hit me up if you need more.